first thing I want to know is what specific price hikes have you seen, whether in the kitchen at Poshines or across the businesses represented in the chamber? What have you seen happen there?
Well, it's in the food industry, we're seeing egg prices skyrocket. They still haven't quite come down. They're currently like $95 per case.
What's in the case?
You probably got about 150 eggs in a case, and it's just ridiculous because there's a gentleman who's a Chinese worker and he's a baker, and he goes through maybe 70 cases a week. So what he's had to do is go to stores like Winco and also Walmart, and what ends up happening is he gets a better price, but he ends up buying out all their eggs.